I'm recording this in 2025. Recently, California suffered from fire, right? From disasters that happen. And sadly, we yet cannot help support with our cause. We would love to be there to deliver our help there in California. And but we are getting there. Eventually, with the help of our donors, we will be able to supply countries all around the globe with our water supply so they can deliver to population in case of anything, or in this case, help in disaster, right? In disasters that may happen due to climate change and other other causes. So our water mission from Space Ranger is fantastic. It's on the go. We are still on the go. We are getting ready, and hopefully Costa Rica will be the first country um, to experience the benefits of our foundation by covering um, the population, by covering the country itself with our supply, with our additional water supply. So we're on the road. Continue following us, continue following our mission, and you will see how we change the world. This is it. It's more than a film.